What's up, everybody? I know it's been a minute. I'm sorry. I was in the process of buying a new house. As you see, it's behind me. Ended up buying the house. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really sorry for the delay. I know it's been over a month since I've uploaded, but now we're gonna be back with the videos. Right here, we have some new for the Chaser. I know you might see the wheels right there. Nah, I'm just kidding. You can see the wheels. These are the Chaser wheels. If you know the name of these wheels, I got $1 for you. Whole $1 for you. They are 19s. The goal is to be 19s, possibly outlip, possibly fender to lip. I'm not really sure. We're just gonna have to see how everything goes, but I'm gonna be doing a full custom kit. I decided that I'm gonna be doing a full custom kit because all the other JZX100 kits, whether it's for the Chaser, the Mark II, or Cresta, or anything like that, they all look the same in my opinion. Like, they literally all have the exact same rear bumper, the same skirt, same front, but like they all have the same design to it. So I'm gonna be making my own rear bumper, and I'm gonna be making my own skirts and my own front bumper. So yeah, I'm really excited for the front bumper with this car. I'm still going with a boxy design because the Chaser does have boxy like body lines. So like it does have its curves, but it's still like boxy in my opinion. But I have new taillights. I'm gonna be putting on this week. I have new corner lights to replace the orange ones. And I have a garage full of parts for this car. I have camber parts, I have control arms, I have literally everything. I have new tension arms, new toe adjustment, new toe arms, new ball joints, literally everything to make this car everything it needs to be show worthy. It is on 19s. I ordered brand new lips, chrome plated lips, because you know I'm a big chrome guy. I got my wheels way back there. The garage is a mess. We technically went to kind of a smaller garage. I had a 2-car garage before, but now it's like split off like this. Not really sure why they did that, but probably some structural shit. Got an acre of land. I'm gonna be building a 30 by 40 foot shop in the back so I could do all my painting and all the other stuff and build my cars and have fun. I haven't watched any videos on coilover install for this car, so I have no clue how that's gonna go. I'm pretty much gonna be doing this install strictly off of mechanical knowledge because I haven't watched any video. I haven't looked up anything on the forums. I have no clue if I even have the tools that I need to do this. I'm pretty sure I do because I have a lot of fucking tools, but I should have everything I need to be able to build this properly right now. Without further ado, let's get started on this coilover install. I know you're probably like, wait, if you don't have coils on, how are you this low already? It's not on coils. But I'm not gonna lie, when I first threw the wheels on, they're 19, so it raised the car. When it raised the car, it looked terrible, like absolutely terrible. Like it literally looked like a dog. And I went outside, I showed my wife, and she was like, nah, that's not it. So I got tired of looking at it. 30 minutes after I put the wheels on, I went right outside with an angle grinder and I cut the springs. I know I cut the springs. Shame on me. So bad, so sad. I don't care. I waited 4 months for these fucking coilovers to come in. 4 months. 4 months. 4 months. I waited 4 months for these fucking coilovers to come in. And now I finally have them. Springs have only been cut for like 2 weeks. It's fine. It rode perfectly fine on cut springs. It's not that bad. And I also, not only did I buy a house, I also got a dog. It's my boy Mars. We got him from the shelter. W dog. All right, let's get into this install. Now, right here, this is the camber parts, like extended lower control arms and all the other stuff. There's like 6 or 8 parts in here, so we're gonna have plenty to install, and then tomorrow I'll be installing the tail lights and the corner lights. We gonna do the front first. So because we got these fat ass skirts, I know we're not low, but we gotta put the wood under, because if not, then we gonna start fucking shit up. We don't want to fuck stuff up in our brand new Toyota Chaser. Oh my god, my hands are ashy. The fuck am I jacking this up by? The fuck? Where the fuck are the pinch welds? Oh yeah, this is also Riverside Chattanooga prep. Watch out, dude. Oh no, did I hurt my, oh no. Thought I hurt the paint. Oh yeah. So look, chat, this right here, this is what it looked like when I first put the 19s on. And I was like, you know what? We're not gonna be doing that. So then I cut the springs. I made it way better. What you think? W spring cut? W means. All right, look. Let's look in here. Oh my god, who cut the springs? Cancel, stock Miata doesn't build his cars right. L Car Builder, he does it just like the other static boys. They just cut their springs and put their cars on washers. So we gotta do jack stands, because I'm not gonna lie, this shit's gonna be in the air for a little minute. Shouldn't have to go too high. Don't judge my jack stands, they a little dusty. I be painting shit, you know what I'm saying? Tight shit. Like I said, I do be paying. I know my jack stand's dusty, and no, my hands aren't ashy. It's It's the dust from the jack stands. So now what? My hands aren't ashy. It's the dust from the jack stands. Done told you twice. I ain't gonna tell you again. My skirt's cracked. Fuck. All right, guys. So I'm gonna be starting a GoFundMe. No, I didn't set my car on fire, but I'm still gonna need some new side skirts because I cracked them. So if you guys want to donate to that, link down in the description. All donations are appreciated. I recommend donations of $1,000 or more. Oh shit, I forgot you guys over here. Hang on, I'm sorry. Okay, so once you get that side on jack stands, you're gonna want to go do the same thing to the other side. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh hell no. What the fuck? Chat, what is that? Oh my god, it's even worse back here. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, I'm canceled, chat. I'm canceled. Y'all got me. Alrighty. Always use your jack stands. Yeah, you ever seen like those videos of people like taking out their drive shaft and shit, and like their whole car just starts rolling?
Now once they're all off, you should be able to just stick a bar in here and make it loose.
And then like the whole car ended up falling on them. Yeah, no, we're not really trying to be like that. So use your jack stands and you'll live long. There's no way that this tire's still touching the ground. There's no way this shit's still touching. This is fucking ass. This is literally how this car looked before I cut the springs. Like, give me a break. Please give me a break. Like, what is this? I had to do what I had to do. Like, this is insane. I'm not rocking with that at all. All right, so look. Fuck. That shit too short. Fuck. Oh my god, that shit looks insane from the back. Pause. Right. Impact, W impact. If you use D-Wall, I don't fuck with you. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. D-Wall fucking sucks. It don't actually suck. It's better than some Harbor Freight shit. Damn, I can't get these motherfuckers out. Why are y'all so far back? Oh my god, I'm trying to teach y'all how to do this shit. Fucking pay attention. Can y'all fucking pay attention? I'm trying to teach y'all how to do this and y'all sitting way back there. Fuck. Oh, damn it. Alrighty. I'm not gonna lie, these big fat ass tires, these motherfuckers gonna have to go to the back because these ain't got no stretch on them. All right, chat, so how do we do this? I think, here, let me see. All right, look, my guess is take out the top 3 bolts, right. Take this bracket off right here. Then we're supposed to take that off. And then bottom bolt down there. Right. And I think that should get the coil out. And then we do have to do the lower control arm back here. So take that out, take the shit down there out. I don't think we have anything else to put on in the front. We had a tie rod in down here. So I gotta put these on, control arm on, and then coil over on. So we'll be right back. Here's the lower control arms, and then the rest of these are rear arms. These are extended tie rod ends, serial 9 arms back there for the rear, and then here are the BC coils that are gonna be going on this. All right, so we got the new extended lowers. This is new versus old, new tie rod end in. So just throw this back on and then throw the coil in here, and then we're good to go for this corner. Alrighty, it's the next day. I ended up finishing the fronts. I got the coils on, got the tie rod ends, and the lower control arms on. So here it is. I know, this just ash right now. Not low enough. I have to drive to Tennessee today, literally like 2 minutes after recording this. So I already did the alignment on it and everything, so we're pretty much good to go. It's pretty damn straight, but literally right after recording this, I have to drive all the way to Tennessee, which is about 7.5 hour trip. So it should be good to drive. It's pretty much how we're looking. Not too bad. Alignment's pretty solid. Fitment's pretty, not bad, not good. For my opinion, I would have liked it lower, but these tires are a little bit too big, and I already ordered Serial 9 Oni negative camber upper control arms. I think they're supposed to give me like 10 degrees more. We're sitting at about -10 right now. So after I get those in, they should be here in the next 2 or 3 days. Once those come in, then I'll throw those on, and then we should be big tilt on the Chaser. This is how we sit right now at the moment. Not too bad, but I'm about to throw the rears on, and then I might actually throw the tails and stuff on, but now we just have to throw the rears on, throw these arms on, and then I have the other Serial 9 rears in the back over there. All right, so I just ended up finding something cool. When I was taking out the rear seats, for some reason with the Chaser, you have to take the rear seats out to get to the rear coilover bolts for the top hat. But as I was taking it out, I ended up finding this. I don't know what this is, but it's like a some sort of Japanese card. It has some like info or something on the back. I have no clue what it says. But there's also like Japanese coins. Like, I don't know, like am I rich? Hang on. Like, what is this? This shit's tough. I'm rich. Richest man alive. Fire. Look, I got a little bit of Japanese currency with this car. Alrighty guys, we're back. We are back from Tennessee. I didn't get to show you guys the final, kind of like the final product or anything like that. I had to rush to Tennessee, but now I can show you guys kind of the final product. I did end up putting the clears on. You'll be able to see the clear tails and the clear corner lights in a minute when I flip the camera. But like I said, I just got back from Tennessee, so the front is still a little bit raised because I had to, I had to get here and back. So I did end up raising the front to drive back. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much how the rear is sitting currently, but it's not gonna be like that for long until the front and rear lips come in for the wheels. So I'm gonna just stop all the talking. I'm gonna show you guys kind of just like the finished product for now. It's only gonna be like this for maybe another 2 or 3 weeks, and then it's gonna actually get crazy. So without further ado, here it is. So that's just how it's gonna be sitting for now. Within the next couple of weeks, I have more parts coming in, more front camber parts, more rear camber parts. And then I still have the front and rear lips coming in. And then once those come in, then I'm gonna be rebuilding the wheels. And when I got back from Tennessee, I also saw that my license plate did actually come in. So I'm gonna be throwing that on, and then I'll do another little walk around when everything's pretty much complete. So this is only how it's gonna be looking temporarily. Like I said, it's not gonna be looking like this for long, so. All right, so I did actually run into a problem with trying to put this plate on. If you look and see, this hole lines up, but the other hole, it's like the holes are wider than the actual plate itself. So I'm gonna go off of the little temporary tag that I had, and I'm gonna drill out these holes and then throw this plate on. So I'll be right back. All right, so if you see right here, I just went and marked the areas where the holes need to be at, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and drill them out real quick, and then I'm gonna throw the plate on. Just like that, we should be good to mount. Everything drilled up, everything nice and pretty. Alrighty, let you guys take a look. There we go, we got the new holes drilled out. We should be good to mount. Let's see. Moment of truth. Got a hole right there and a hole right there. And just like that, we are all finished. That is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna have a lot more videos out in the future, so stay tuned for that. I'm currently working on the Riverside video, so that'll be coming out probably next Friday. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys for everything. I love you guys. Hopefully we can start this journey. I'm just gonna skip 2K and we're just gonna do road to 10K for all of this. So let's get there. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.